ebushon for aha Ghana Sem TV GH. Let's like, comment, subscribe, with no notification, so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, ebushon for. I said there's a saying there or tune say one kind me asrea, where kind me so. I'm not sure I've gotten it right and as a pronunciation all right, but I know what it means. It means when a time will come, if you don't remember me, if you remember me, it's either you will cry or you will laugh. Right? Good. And I think that is one of the things Akufo Addo did not say openly, but knew to happen. I was just roaming social media, as you know, looking for the news that I'll bring to our beloved Ghana Sem people. And me coming across a live be. Now live no so no. Now the former MC for Kasoa MCE, Kasoa Kasoa cry na constituency base. I have a constituency, no. It escaped me. Is it how to say East or something like that? Now we're live no so. And she revealed, say, second tenure of Akufo Addo, because of the financial difficulties that the whole was facing and the sacrifices Akufo Addo wanted any appointees to make, no, salary of MCE now 5,000 Ghana cedis. Unbelievable. 5,000 Ghana cedis was how much DCs and MCs were taking under Akufo Addo, because Akufo Addo had the people. Akufo Addo say, me first can you not go salary say brass free senior high school or a hianska. Me first can you not come say salary a bra health insurance, dialysis, say chairman for and all the others. Cancer for in children, about 10 different types of cancer in children, covered by health insurance. Akufo Addo had the people at heart. Only device that so everyone will be a salary cut off. We are put this of Akufo Addo. We shall vote and now me no yekasan. Mama buy sa 5,000. They are covered 30,000 Ghana cedis, 300 million old currency. From 5,000, I'm multiply by 6 or more. And now BIG per month. But I think they are just finding a beautiful way to punish Ghanaians. Punishing Ghanaians for ABI, voting for them. Say, yeah, what's one man smile? Yeah, na idea. Yes, sir. Yeah, na idea. It's yet me blame you, yeah, just say, we a lesson. Next time, say a course, a coye, a cotuaba, essential and frame. For that is a very beautiful conversation you must listen to. Let's listen to this former MC's analysis, Obanso Honorable Anne. But before then, for our project in Volta region, the center of NDC, beautiful studio coming up for Ghana Sem TVGH. Accra for Omunya Mudie, say the aptness Volta for there. Total amount in 25,000 cedis. 25,000 cedis, roughly $2,300 US. Kindly help us make this come to pass. And you can donate to the number beneath, right? Whatever you have, we love and appreciate you. Now let's go to the next conversation. I'll see the next one. Cheers.
Oh boy, primaries as a way one boy, and one thing me pandemic was I spoke about communication. And I specifically mentioned the name of Coca. Means Robia.
Yeah.
Then yena yer kasa yazima party no. But there are certain language bia. Sabi. Iyusuma unia ombwa.
Yeah.
Yes, mentor letter, but I've been able to speak my mind out. And there is also another thing. Yankasa ye national executives na pina me brother in America. If we have people on the FYP, obirisha here obi it, MMDC is former or whatever, they are not even recognized. Won't recognize them. And these people who also were young Crawford, the Emmy Nami deputy women's organizer, constituency. Ansa na me benya the position. MMDC is a wabana na do dankwa Akufo Addo na bredu nyina no they had positions within the constituency and the region. Sabi na sa party na ntumi wan recognize hwana. Wobeden na wetumi na wejina wa bibi. We were not treated well. And yeah, we are still saying it.
Okay.
We are not treated well.
Yeah.
Sometimes I old baby and but for some of us, I'm a communicator, so
yeah,
I
know how
say
to.
it.
Yeah.
Yes, I say it and I know how to go about it.
So maybe wa ha wo ye Felix appear and a white cliff.
Okay.
A good chamber so ha Archbishop wo ha. Na me de say ye program na de bia me ka say wo ye program a onim duty.
Yeah.
The bia no na maybe so na ye to ye ho fo ye ho hawa ye bisify. Sa MCE fo ya wo kan MDC fo ya wo kan mo asem. Mo so no mo mfa mo ho enwura campaign mu. Adintra.
Yo, me brother me da say. Say she edwuma nkasa na was she yensa na. Though politically na yenya appointment no. But so what for your MCE and a mayor or this year. Ijina homa district ni nyina MPP, NDC and floating voters. Inya da yemfa yehu nhye campaign. Yezi yehu hyemu pa. Na mayor otin de constituency chairman for no. Normally they are for the MPP people. But in ya yeye DCs na yeye for everybody within the district ni mu no. Wonfa ya nyehwe. DCEB botum wakade or a community engagement. And community engagement, my brother, mind you there, nye MPP funkutin orishia ho.
Yeah.
Orishia ho a what it community ni mu nyina.
Yeah.
You'll be surprised there. Why any BBA we any mpona wa ma invitation or that money MPP mpanyimfo no. Na party constituency chairman we tum wa afre DC na aka chende. Ade no wuntimi ye. E was say me na wo ka kire me na me kokaye. So we are not able to strike a distinction between local governance and the work of the party. Enso no say ye hwe na ye kan bom na ye ne dama. Ncho no chairman no rehwe MPP fu won koten woz no. DC yi no rehwe obi ane zo no so de dom ni bi afi NDC na floating voters abeka. Yes. But mostly I don't talk ho.
Yeah. I think say Felix appear and na twere wa say ho. I say thank you. That's it. Yeah.
Oh yes, my brother.
Felix appear honorable ewa oh yeah. MC ewa Kasoa. I think say
former MC. Former na nka ho amenya asem.
Yo, Debio, I boot. Sorry, evening. Honorable and the minimum dada. Menina have a few encounters in China that you can be a pure because I don't know she's lived it. Until you can be away beyond I like how all pushing the questions, and I hope so you didn't able to make pianos and she's very good at answering questions. One of her strengths, and then say question be the baby piano. Somehow, meaning how she does it, but somehow she answers. You're a good asset, man.
Thank you, Felix.
when me enter me bisa sa question
Honorable, welcome.
me no enhia wo me platform yi so da but me pese me hunu say how or can communicate ho asem ti me hwe how a obisifa a respond no one answer questions no e ama me why ya de nyame enhira papa
Obo eduma pa, ma me ka ko ba ko so insana. Obo traga obo eduma pa. Or you're one of the people now, excuse part with them function, me party for function. Part in penny for excuse my language and neglected but through on one cause and a little means, to me yeah the obey through the election. You do baby cry men na be an comment to us because we seen in the story and the identify more Sebe Kasoa in fact not but she still stood firm and for that thanks and when in the party ama now Uputu party first before personalities. That's it.
okay I think say me bisa o say adenti na momfa mo ho enwura campaign wa chirichiri mo
issue one example be
okay
2024 campaign ye nyina na start ye national Asia ye tete campaign teams ye share ye see ye be ye say at a point some of us we realize say yankasa ya sorry say ye bibia nobody will call you. Nobody will recognize you. And I just got up. Many resources biya. So na my freha. Even t-shirt I was not getting. And I said, no, I have to do something. Na my colleagues said, Chale muma yenshia na yenye bibi. Then we went to our regional minister. The then regional minister. And I was saying, ayesa ade ni bibia akoye chairman for ni. So what I'm going to do is meboa mo kakra or my sewing machine, any dryers. And these things na yenyayen. And yes, yen na yede kwashe ye few. We were coming to use it to campaign within the constituency.
Yeah.
And for some of us, if you do baby, meet na trotro ma na my campaign is a trotro ni fikaso o konkran kra me ne omo kase wi na metu omo lorry fe ko bodwa ase me ne omo kase wi and I never had not even one cedi from anywhere. Oh, inti bibi say na sa daachi bi no bi na DC form omo hu nhye campaign mu na it is difficult to deal with it because in our small
say scenario we are dey my what ye campaign obi dey wan ye obi te sunafo south wan ye obi te ahafo ano wan ye me ni obi kasa me ti nkurase pa me dey ma ko nkurase pa ahafo ano chairman ono te ho.
My brother, I won't doubt you.
No te ho ti baby on santi kuru.
That collaboration was not there between, they called something tripod, the MP, the chairman, and the DCE. But mostly no, obesha na yeyi omoyi DCE nesi nchen with the intention say office ho na sabi DCE neteno wenya sika manabro ni so. Ena sabi ebia omma party no. Ba ye nyina so ye behu say this time the last 4 years DCE for a buy no it was a hell for them. Me say me ne work say me kan o wade yi so DCE for na omo wo ha ye wie ye yen time.
Yeah.
These people were taking just 5,000 5,000.
Yeah.
And the NDC for buy it is close to
30 something thousand, almost 30,000.
Pacho we are where you
Yeah.
and ye fancy why. It's sad.
Okay. Star nyoma we nyoma ekoso no. Na woje 5,000, na wo koba na woje na nyoma enko yi. Na wo abomo no, wo director, wo boss, wo complain kire no.
Ejuma na ye I am a political head ɛna director no no nso wɔ assembly hɔ no nso ɔno nso ɔyɛ administrative head. And these are people ɔmatena office hɔ akyɛ ansa yɛkɔto ɔmo. They are called the Technocrats. These people are so smart and they know the system more than you. I remember said that kro na meti edin bi omo de ato me. Ye call meeting. Meti na me presiding member. Ebe ka chem say honorable. Yes, he say so your headmistress. When I'm saying na we nso free he or say we dey want me ka kyerɛ. So after the meeting na me ko bi say director said, "Director, na sana was say me your headmistress." Then he started laughing. Nam say director my boni bi aka kyerɛ. As madam, on yet the more now was say, you're strict. Like, you are the headmistress. And I'm so bad director, you know I'm a teacher. And I was a headmistress. Intimate Martin Pa, Marjorie Faho. These are people when you talk to them, some of them have connections with the party people we are working with. Ebia, oh director, in the year kwe jumebiwaha, me pedam moboa makakra. By the time you realize, ebi obeka do obe more, let's say 2,000 as an example. No, obe really 2,500. They won't give it to you for free. Whilst you are taking ebi 1,000 cedis in here. But was 1,000 back home for themselves. That is how they do the work. Until sometimes to politicians work offices are sebi work yeska won ho ye mesro. Ono the one knows aka ho. Osande ampa ne chew na wanfa bia nka ho na wanye amawo a onye mawo. You the chief executive, you don't sign check.
Yeah.
It is being signed by the director and the finance officer. Inti bepa ho chewa na we ko yidam tu na ewie ne na ho wa 1,000. Oh 1,000 na wodi ba mo no izeri ko akoye adwuma ho. Brother resro
Obisi me misa o say question me no gbasi ho ye tua maka
me pa es gracia
mo tia el gracia no maje
me pocho yenje es gracia.
Okay,
MMDCs what is salary arrears.
Okay,
but ye be fie nyina won find my
muntia mo.
Okay. No.
Obi nso say mo pay yie kopa no magya mo constituency ho mo mpesa so ho na mo kwa yie na mo genchia wa yie ase ade dire na mo
na eyie no dia wanye na ye ko okay Okoboy honorable Okoboy ne nkrofo eto abatia no because almost on kwadore onkwa yie mo party fo enye say ye call outside. It is for the party. Aha.
Okay.
So we honorable Okoboy dey na cry dey sorry boot for boot. Okoboy dey one time omo ka say no join news one and no mo ye and omo si Okoboy e ke ba e ke we ba ye come e sumo ne ba ha oshika be e ke won tabai school be e ke won twabo and intino omo no mo dwen say oba oni omo ye community activity oni omo di dokuno bom oni omo eno nye no no mo pe cause oba ya na wa mechiche sika say obi anje 2020 nye den enche. So when he lost, they went back there to see the state, and guess what they said? Say for them, they think say they are not going to elect Mambio because so much wet you go into this. So that is the type of that's the type of people we have in our political system.
Yeah.
Okay. Why Cliff honorable kakra why Cliff was so bremuna.
Honorable, thanks so much for joining us.
You're welcome.
Insightful, delivery. But I share your pain because one of my friend Akufo Addo happens to be a DC, and you see, we did a question to you, but just to highlight some of the areas that you churn out, especially that disconnect between the governance and especially a form or no. On the year like maybe Akufo Addo in the district. What I say? Okwa at the head, those technocrats, they are there, they are civil servants. But in probably the party, So it same thing happened though. Between the party and Akufo Addo, that same complaint was there. And he about trickle down to Omuno, so it will never be different. So Kaya, the party and in the wisdom of the party, I think the general secretary also or the chairman sat in cabinet, such that connect will be there. But unfortunately for us, by the end this is the almost need to find easy way to do it. Almost the omono to say you. Oh, and going forward, what are some of the things you
NDC asama wuken quarter common fund otiminya 8 to 10 million 3 months na me 3 months menya 300,000.
can you imagine?
Yes, so this is what they are getting at the assembly now. 3 months, a quarter.
Miss Anne, next time going forward, I think you had a lot of notes now. ABI, Bob Paya say, Engoye DC, you be quenim. Name no, some of the things are Odebe two party and me a bomb Paya, my doctor. Because yours was no different from even the national party, the national executives, and the governors, Nankasa. What I say, it was clear. I mean, the party people were crying, and just imagine going to election. That common T-shirt, a DCE is crying for T-shirt. So I vote for me. Contribute to your platform. So you were contributing for T-shirt. Yeah, near Tiabem. And the fact, near many people now going forward. Some of the things that maybe I also be try to the next year will be Baby taking over from the MPP. Yes, I mistakes maybe. Me that's it. I'm
think say na many penny be a dim come about side way. I didn't. And I said the political party. You need maybe a good T-shirt. I do be the kuguni demo. Now I could patch out a bit more related me to about T-shirt. Ubi peso T-shirt, dear campaign, no so case or your MPP. Just frag, just banner.
and good. Just to highlight up key to me refi. A buy affect to mo BBO in terms of development. A buy ne so kwa development. Or no no on the tabel. Se one crowd ye or a lucky say na MP no MPP MP. Na kwaya the other side and also santo kwano wo because MP ni person or they just samba and I also party no and that collaboration that link no fact we didn't do we didn't I don't know say ebia obi so be when NPP comes to power NDC comes but sad no adai so because ebia you know abine the project ba this in the general name so in place of the party. Now, it is a first a member of parliament and also quiet from the other side. Santo Quano, or the Bia, only DC, especially if you are not DC into interest to be an MP, and yet you're not necessarily many. We all campaign
project, Amba local level. It's the project never came to the assembly. One of the biggest mistake MPP for a year. Anka project nemra ye nuanom omo wo form omo ya
Opposition amanfo nsa
ne de ko mama mi ya na chisu ya okoko transfer mami
antina
okay
it's a crop of bia ora we daze na men ka for next time
ani ba odisi se wo MP a oye MP the constituency chairman na DC. But mostly because of that disconnection now only between the constituency chairman, the MP and the DC in Inti. Oba no basic constituency chairman and MP no do nine, the DC doesn't know anything about it. Honestly, and it is your party at that moment, no. We need to because obesendama. So you just have to be quiet. Now one kasa afa wo kwan bi a betumi na ye bibi na abo party no. Oh, for me t-shirt. I had to print some. I had to go to is it Moses Abor? Or Obia Osade. Me kwa Accra and sana me konya t-shirt. My brother, it was tough. T-shirts. It was tough. Nti nzema wodi ba ni nyina ma wodi edwuma no. I can confidently say that about 70 to 80% of the DCs were huhunhwe. They were not even called. They were not even called. But that shouldn't be the case. Usan the DC in nyimdom papa all rounds landlords association.
Me kuro mama nwase Akuapem North. Me coordinator bi owo ho. E selfie yirenchi. Me ne ku school. Ye de mana wa jack to ne dem. On check be cha me nipa me ensape. The aka no so obeda so ton so ye ne den you. Constituency chairman. Okay. Honorable the voice ono so aba ono so voter ready ono de onya t-shirt ni bi che o so bi dia dance the